A journalist asked how Steve Jobs' children liked the iPad, and he revealed that he didn't let his kids use the iPad. Bill Gates also mentioned in an interview that he kept his children away from phones until they were 14 or 15 years old. What do they know that we don't? The purpose of this video is not to make you abandon your phone, or to claim that phones are bad or that you should switch to another device. The purpose is to help you understand the importance of your relationship with your phone and to improve it. This video is divided into 3 parts: how the phone hacks your brain, how it affects you and changes your brain, how to improve your relationship with your phone. The game of hacking our brains starts with pleasure activation. We crave activities that bring us joy and release dopamine in our brains. This chemical is released not just when we do something we like, but also when we think about it. For example, we feel good thinking about our favorite food even before eating it, releasing dopamine in anticipation. The same goes for sex, travel, shopping, and games. However, the problem isn't pleasure itself, but the pleasure loop. When you do something pleasurable, dopamine is released in your brain. After a while, dopamine levels normalize and your brain craves it again, leading to repeated cravings and actions. If you frequently check your phone, you're in a pleasure loop. Whenever you're slightly bored, sad, or anxious, you reach for your phone, falling into the pleasure loop created by engineers who aim to keep you engaged with apps. There are 3 main tactics used by these engineers. Humans love new experiences. Apps constantly offer fresh content, keeping the relationship alive and you hooked. Small stresses like notifications compel you to check your phone and solve these tiny problems, leading to habitual phone checking. Social media ensures you receive acknowledgement through likes, comments, and replies, keeping you coming back for more. Understanding how your phone impacts your brain and life is crucial. Our memories, divided into long-term and working memories, are affected by repeated phone use. Overloading your working memory with constant phone use exhausts it, leading to mental fatigue, reduced concentration, and increased loneliness. Since the launch of smartphones in 2007, happiness has declined and loneliness has increased. Improving your relationship with your phone can yield significant benefits. Here are some practical solutions. Track your phone usage and see where your time goes. Limit notifications to those that are truly important. Use grayscale mode to reduce the allure of your phone. Use focus and D&D modes to minimize distractions during important tasks. Place reminders on your phone's wallpaper to encourage mindful use. Keep your phone away during bedtime to improve sleep quality. Schedule specific times for phone use and stick to it. By following these steps, you can transform from a mindless phone user to a mindful one, enhancing your overall well-being and productivity. This is the dark side of phones, but if we improve our relationship with them, we can gain a lot. Leaders and high achievers follow a schedule for phone use. By following these practical steps, you can significantly improve your relationship with your phone. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Checking your screen time will answer many questions about your phone usage. Notifications are like constant doorbells that disrupt your focus. Just as an organized schedule helps leaders, setting boundaries and schedules for phone use will help you grow and enjoy life better. See you in the next video.